Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. I am just so happy and it has been really great reading all your discussion post about your research question, and I'm looking forward to all the exciting research that you guys are going to write about. So let's look what is there in week 4. So week 4 again, we are going to continue with our research topic and the question about it. If you have already got it to where you need it to be, so you don't have to worry about it. If not, the discussion continues over here. Look at the schedule for the due date. I think this is the last week that you can post and receive feedback, and also provide feedback to 2 of your peers. So the other thing that you are doing this week is an assignment 2. It is worth 25 points. This is your chapter 3 PowerPoint. This is the video for the chapter 3. I also put a PDF and an article on different types of data. Basically, it is talking about nominal data, ordinal, scale, and ratio data, which comes within this chapter 3. So if you want a little bit more clarification, you can definitely look at the PDF document that is over here, the different types of data. It is a very easy read. And then you also have an article which has a very good table in it. So for your assignment, here is your assignment. For this assignment, you are going to be answering some questions. So whatever you read in your chapter 3, it is applying those things on this assignment. So you're going to be reading 2 articles, the Omen article and the Harris article. So there are the direct links here. If you go back, you will also see that I have uploaded the articles over here. So you read the articles and you are going to answer these questions. For example, what is the study about? Identify the variables. Make sure you identify all the variables, independent, dependent, all of those variables. And that is for 3 points. So you're answering these questions. Then you have another question over here. So as you read chapter 3, you're going to get an answer to this one, or you watch the PowerPoint, or you watch the PowerPoint, and then Harris article, you're going to answer these questions. And here is the Dropbox to submit your assignment to. Best of luck, and I look forward to reading all your assignments.